Today we're going to make a pumpkin pie spice blend. Hi, I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out. Welcome back to our channel. We're all about tasty food made easy. This recipe is super easy and can be used in a lot of different dishes. So here's what you need. 6 tablespoons of cinnamon, 3 teaspoons ginger, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon cardamom, half a teaspoon allspice, half a teaspoon cloves, and half a teaspoon cayenne pepper. You can ease up on the cayenne pepper if you don't like too much heat in your pumpkin pie spice blend. When you have all the spices collected, mix them well and pour them into a spice jar or an airtight container. This recipe will give you about a half a cup or 8 tablespoons of seasoning. Use this spice blend for baking, for beverages, for breakfast granola and oatmeal, or even sprinkle some on top of a dessert. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and I'll see you in our next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Like and subscribe.